Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let's understand how to generate reports in Google NotebookLM. Reports allow us to transform our notebook sources into structured, written documents that are easy to read, share, and refine further. Let's walk through this step by step, completely hands-on. Before generating a report, let's clearly understand what this feature actually does. Reports take all the sources in our notebook and organize them into a structured document. Instead of chatting with sources or listening to audio overviews, we get a written output that feels like a professional document. This is extremely useful for learning material, documentation, planning, and content creation. Now let's look at the screen. Inside our notebook, we have already added sources. Next, let's go to the Studio panel on the right side. From the available options, let's select Reports. As soon as we click it, NotebookLM opens the Create Report window. This is where we decide the format and structure of our report. At the top, let's focus on the Format section. The first option is Create Your Own. This option allows us to fully customize the report by specifying the structure, style, tone, and focus. This is ideal when we want complete creative control. Next, we have Briefing Doc. A briefing doc creates an overview of our sources, highlighting key insights and important quotes. This format works best for quick summaries and executive level reading. Then we have Study Guide. This format generates a learning-focused document with short answer questions, suggested essay questions, and a glossary of key terms. This is perfect for students, trainers, and exam preparation. Next is Blog Post. This format converts our sources into a readable article with clear explanations and takeaways. This is ideal for educators, bloggers, and content creators. Now let's move down to the Suggested Format section. NotebookLM intelligently provides ready-made templates based on common real-world use cases. The first option here is Strategic Analysis. This format creates a cross-sector analysis covering adoption, challenges, and future outlook. Next, we have White Paper. This generates an in-depth white paper focused on risks, implications, and deeper considerations. Then we have Explanatory Article. This format explains a topic step by step, starting from core definitions and moving to real-world applications. This is excellent for foundational learning. Finally, we see Historical Overview. This format explores the evolution of a topic from early concepts to modern breakthroughs. Now let's generate a report. Let's select one of the available formats. For this demonstration, let's choose Explanatory Article. Once selected, NotebookLM starts creating the report using only the sources inside our notebook. Just like other artifacts, report generation happens in the background. We can continue working while the report is being created. Once the report is ready, it appears in the Studio panel as a new artifact. Let's open it. We now see a structured document with clear headings, logical sections, and smooth flow. Most importantly, this content is grounded in our notebook sources, not generic AI knowledge. This makes the report transparent and trustworthy. Reports are best used when we want to turn research into documents, create structured learning material from multiple sources, prepare guides, articles, or analysis documents, or convert raw information into readable content. Many users combine mind maps and reports. First, they understand the structure visually, then generate a report for deep reading.